Welcome to Jandjautowrecking test video of stock number 9475, 2013 or 14, I can't remember, built 6 of 13, Chevrolet Suburban 2500. A little bit of an exhaust manifold leak over here. God, I can't hear today. Come on, baby. Alright, well, regardless, it's got a 6-liter under the hood with a 6L90 behind it. Lots of good parts on this unit. Hitting the front, bops in the rear though, just an unfortunate thing. A lot of people here really wanted to save this truck. Sorry guys, I can't hear. There is an air hose over there going, it just box Jesus. God. All right. Step inside here. Yes, we know we need to service the airbag. She's been wrecked. 213,000 miles on her. Lots of good parts. High trim, heated seats. Look at that. All the windows work. No sunroof, just how I would want it. So sad. We got power folding mirrors that both work. Transmission, backup camera. Transmission goes right into gear. 6L90s are stout units. I would expect nothing less. Darn thing was wrecked with a full tank. That is the biggest tragedy. 30-something odd gallons of fuel. I'll feel for them. Why won't the windows on that side work? Master switch isn't having a good day. Oh, that sucks. Alright, well, cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm locked in here now, too. Damn truck. Okay, well, you can't win them all. Today, we lost the right rear door. Guys, that is going to wrap up the Jandjautowrecking test video of stock number 9475. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at Jandjautowrecking. Thanks for watching.